Next up in this section, we're going to write the abbreviated electron configurations for the following elements. So whenever we do abbreviated electron configurations, we are always going to use noble gases. Okay? So just as a refresher, all of our noble gases are located in this far right-hand column, okay, including helium. Right, so here are our noble gases. So let me show you how we do this first one with cobalt. So first thing you're going to do is find your element on the periodic table. So cobalt is right here. And then you're going to determine which noble gas came before your element, okay? So I'm going to go to the row above cobalt in my noble gases. So argon is the one that came before. So I'm going to write the symbol for argon in brackets. Okay, so I'm going to put bracket AR and close my bracket. Okay, and then I'm going to continue with my electron configuration as if I've done everything through argon, and I'm just going to continue in the S sublevel. Okay, so I just continue right after argon or whatever noble gas I put in those brackets. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4s. So I'm going to write 4s2. And now I'm in my 3D. I'm going to cobalt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 3d7. So as you can see, this is a much shorter way to write out the configurations rather than having to write all of these long ones. Okay, so let's do silver. Silver is Ag on the periodic table. So the noble gas that comes before it is krypton. So that's what I'm going to put in my brackets, Kr. Okay, and then I'm going to pick up where krypton left off. And this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. So I've got 5s2. And then I'm into my 4d. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 4d9. Okay. Next we have Te right here. It's number 52. So the noble gas that comes before it is krypton. So I'm going to put Kr in my brackets. I'm going to pick up where Kr left off. So this is, here, why don't I just write these out? 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. Okay, so after krypton is 5s. So I've got 5s2. And then 4d, what am I looking for? Te, okay. So 4d10. And then I'm into my, this is 2p, 3p, 4p. Okay, so now I'm into my 5p, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5p4. Right? Next I have radium. So radium is all the way down here. And the noble gas, oh, sorry, you can't see. The noble gas that comes before it is radon. So I'm going to put radon in parentheses. So Rn. And then I'm just going to pick up right after. I'm going to go into my 7s. So 7s, 1, 2. And there's radium, so I can just stop right there, 7s2. Okay, and then the last one in this section is lawrencium. So I don't know that abbreviation off the top of my head, so I'm going to have to look for it. Lawrencium is the very last one in this 5F sublevel. So let's see. Since it's down here, you have to remember this period fits in right here. So the noble gas that comes before this period is going to be radon. Okay. So again, I'm going to put RN in my brackets. And then I'm going to go to my 7s2. And then I'm going to go into my 5F. And I'm going to go all the way down to 14. Okay, so I'm going to write 5F14.